Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Kicking off with football, the man who is seeking to dethrone Michael Ricketts as JFF president, Raymond Anderson, launched his manifesto on Thursday as he outlined the 8 points of Jamaica's football, which he believes urgently need attention. More in this report.
Rebranding Jamaica's football, establishing a youth development program, restoring financial stability, developing women's football, regaining stakeholders' trust, investing in fields and infrastructure, establishing local senior elite squads, and facilitating qualification. These are the 8 points which the Raymond Anderson team believes will move Jamaica's football to the forefront. The Real Solid Action team was launched on Thursday by leader Anderson, with ISA President Keith Wellington, Attorney-at-Law Jackie Cummings, Orville Powell, and St. Anne FA President Danny Beckford as his vice presidents. Carol Beckford and former West Indies cricket president Dave Cameron are his 2 ordinary board members.
So I went out and I looked at people who actually been successful in other disciplines and asked them to join us. And some of them do and some don't. Those who are with us now, they are willing and they're really there for the cause.
With a month to go to the elections, Anderson remains more confident than ever of dethroning the incumbent.
I am very confident, but as usual we have work to do. And the election is just one on the day, the 14th of January. So we know that we have some work to do, but my team is equal to the task.
According to Wellington, the Real Solid Action team is the best available option.
Anyone who can truthfully know says that Jamaica's football is on the right track and that they're happy with where we're heading, then I'm not sure that they mean Jamaica football well. There's an opportunity now to change course, and I believe that I have something to contribute, and therefore when I was asked if I would, I accepted the offer to contribute. I think we need changes in football now.
As for Powell, Jamaica's football needs sustainability if it is to get better.
And we have to grow the football from the parishes and the grassroots of the parishes, them come all the way up to the elite. Now, to make elite players or try to create elite players, not all will be, but that should be the intention, and anything below that would still be greater than what it is today.
And the football ground became a battlefield.
56 voters will get the chance to decide who is the next JFF president come January 14, 2024. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.